Hello, we are here again in our Blogger series videos. In this video, we'll be looking at how to embed affiliate banner in Blogger blog. As usual, it's a program powered by the Teacher Teach Tech. We'll train teachers and skills on how to use tech educational gadgets to drive e-learning experience. So that's one of the reasons why we are training on this Blogger series. Now, you may want to know why we're talking of embedding affiliate banner. The question is, what is it for? What use do you have it? The affiliate banner of a thing. If you are somebody who is already into blogging, or you're an aspiring blogger, you know that in spite of the fact that we'll have many reasons why we're going to blogging, at the end of the day, the ultimate need and reason is to make money. So one of the ways to make money in blogging is to go into affiliate programs. Affiliate program is a kind of trying to create a marketplace or sell for companies. You don't have the goods, you don't have what is, but you sell for companies. All you need to do is what? Paste the affiliate banner in your website, and the visitors of your site, when they click through to buy, then visit the main company page and buy, you earn a commission. So to do this is the actual video we are recording here. We remain your professional tutor Chimaizo, and these are tutor profile, our contacts. You can always reach us. Go through the slide once again, the video, and you can get to contact us. So let's quickly go now, because this is purely a practical video, so we're not going to waste time discussing here. Now, we keep on using this. We're using this Blogger train for this particular training. It's one of my blog sites, but this one is a kind of a temporary blog site. We're using it for this training in particular. If you want to attach an affiliate banner on your site, in all these tabs you see on the dashboard, you have to click on layout. Layout is the one you do. You click on layout. It's opening up. Now, by the time you finish opening up, you see what we're going to do right now. You can see all these places you say add gadgets, add gadgets. This is where you're going to add some of these third-party gadgets. There are many of them. Now, I have this here, I have this, and I have it here for this particular template of this blog. So where do I want to add this affiliate banner? So when you open my main website, that's where you're going to see it. I want to add it here. But meanwhile, because I want to add it here, let me go to, remember, like I said, you must have been running an affiliate program. That means you are registered with a company, an online whatever, and they have, because the moment you register, they're always free. They supply you in your dashboard, you see your affiliate banner, the links and all that. So you must have copied it. So the first thing, I just decided to use one of these. I'm an affiliate with the Domain King. It's a domain hosting company, a Nigerian-based domain hosting company. So I run affiliate with them. So I just want to, let me use this as an example to copy the affiliate banner, and you see what I do. So you can't just do this if you don't have already, you are not running an affiliate program with any company. Now look at it. This is my dashboard with them, the affiliate dashboard. So here now, look at the size of this banner. I don't need it. Look at, so you can see the size of the banner depending on what you want to do. Is it this type I need? But this is the one I want. So I have highlighted it. I want to copy it now. I want to copy the whole of this code. This is code. If you think it's by copying the copying the image and pasting, that is not. If you paste the image, it will be there, but when somebody clicks on it, it doesn't send the person to the merchant's website. But when you do exactly what I'm doing now, that's where you get it. Now I go back, I click on this. Remember, I've already copied that code that is with me now. So I want to add gadgets. There are a lot of things. When you open this gadget, there are so much, but what I want to add It's an affiliate banner and it's a third-party code. So I'm going to use this one. Add third-party functionality or other code to your blog. So this is the particular one I'm going to use. You have to be mindful of this. HTML, JavaScript. That's the one I'm going to use because of what I want to do now. So I click inside this box and Ctrl V to paste it. Now I may decide to give it a name. I say cheap domain and hosting, so that the moment somebody visits me, and after having done that, I click on save. I'm saving it. It's already saved. Let me still be sure that it's saved. Now I click view blog. I want to view the blog now for you to see if I've done the right thing. It's going to show instantly in that blog. If you don't know this, you don't know it. But this is what the moment you learn how to do it, you've learned it, and it's so sweet. Now can you see it? A banner is already here. So as you see this banner now, it's different from pasting an image here. The moment somebody visits this site and says, oh my God, the person has actually come to read. So this is how bloggers make money. You see, the person has actually come to read what you posted and all that. But visiting, if you do that, oh my God, this can be very nice for me. I've been thinking on how to buy this. They say reliable web hosting and 3 naira per month. Oh, wonderful, free domain, this and that. Oh, let me click. The person clicks here. Anywhere here. You can see that's why it's highlighted. The moment the person clicks anywhere here now, it will take the person back to the main website. You're going to see it. Can you see it? See what is leading to us. Where the banner. So that if the moment the person visits that site, he can now see how the domain registration and everything. Assuming the person decides to, ends up buying, registering and all that, you have earned a commission. So that's why if you're into blogging, you can enter, go for a lot of affiliate programs. But one thing about affiliate program, make sure that the affiliate program you register with tallies with what you're writing. Take for instance, you are talking of blogging, you want to bring affiliate that, remember you are dealing with your site visitors. You always want to give them what they need. So that is how it is. So it has led. So imagine somebody has clicked on that on my site and has landed here now. The person ended up seeing beautiful things. I said, okay, I'm going to buy this. The person buys. I will earn a commission. And that's how it works. So that is it for now, how to attach an affiliate banner on your blog. We are going to stop this at this moment to continue next time. Remember, this is a series. We'll have 15 videos on this. Some have been recorded before now, some are still coming up. So we'll stop here. Subsequent videos follow. Thank you for your time.